The Sealey SMT180 Oscillating Multi-Tool. The SMT180 is capable of performing multiple tasks such as sanding, scraping, cutting wood, plastics, removing grout, and cutting non-ferrous metals. It's 230 volt mains powered and features a powerful single-speed 180 watt motor to make light work of both DIY and professional jobs. It's supplied in a tough storage case with sanding discs, a backing pad, an offset cutting blade and an offset scraper. A full range of additional accessories are available too. Please refer to our website at sealey.co.uk. The Sealey SMT180 Oscillating Multi-Tool. Strong, versatile and built to last.